Hi guys, in this video we'll have a look at one of the interesting questions asked in Java interviews. This is a coding question. You will be given a word, basically a string, and you'll be asked to do run length encoding on it. Let's run this program once. So you'll be given a string. Here we have copper with 3 P's and the output should be something like this. So we have C1, O1, P3, E1 and R1, basically how many times a particular character appears in a string. If you want to, you can go ahead and even write a decode and you should get copper when a string is passed like this. So let's see how we can solve this. This is one of the ways. So here we have taken our word, we are printing our original word, and then we are calling encode method with our word. Our encode is a static method. Here it is private, static, encode, and takes our word. Initially we initiate pointers, that is P0 and C1, so that is previous pointer points to the first one and the current pointer point to the second letter. Next we define two characters, previous and current, and give the first letter and the next letter as the first values. So we have set up our previous and current characters. We'll also need a count so that we can print the count of the letters. We initiate it as 1. Next we have our for loop. So everything happens in this for loop. So we have a complexity of O of n. We start from 0 and go till the end of the string. This is easy now. So if both are equal, we increase the count. So if previous and current are the same characters, we increase the count. Else, if both are not equal, we print our count and the letter. Next we set our count to 1 again. This is a basic reset of our count variable. So this is where we check. Next we increase our pointers, so P is increased by 1 and C is also increased by 1. Then we check if our current pointer is less than the word.length. This is done because if we don't do this, we'll get a index out of bound exception. And there is no use if this is the last character and you are going ahead. There is nothing to check now. So if the condition is true, we set previous to again caret P and current to caret C. If C actually was our last character, we print our current and the count. So that's how you can easily write a run length encoding in a Java interview. The algorithm is quite simple. Initiate the pointers, point to the starting letters, then the count will be 1 initially. If both are equal, we increase the count, else we print. Next we increase the pointers to point to the next letter. If it is not the last character, we keep on doing our comparisons, else we print our last character and the count and we come out. So that's what you get from this program. Thanks for watching.